This is Kano. Oop, come here, Kano. Let's take a look. Show people your face. It's Kano. This is Kano. Come here, Kano. Hey, Kano. Looking for his mommy. He's a boy. Look at that face. Look at that face. G is trying to clean him up. G, he's clean, Mama. Kano. Look at his head markings. He has a spotted head. He has a spotted head. See your neck. Let's see your other side. Yeah, it's a puppy. Kano. He is so pretty. His belly. He still has his umbilical cord. He'll fall off.
Parents couldn't keep her safe because
hey, uh-oh. See if I can stack him for you guys. Okay, come on, Kano. See here.
Imprison her away from her parents forever.
Kano.
Then she wouldn't leave her base ever again.
Kano.
He started crawling out to his leg. She felt his claws reaching out to
It's a little bit difficult doing this. Yep, there's Kano.